Did you know that over 90% of company gifts are irrelevant to the gift recipient? Hi, I'm Stevie Lomas, the founder and CEO of the Camel Soap Factory, a local brand of unique, handcrafted products. Here are a few tips to ensure that your company gift doesn't end up in the waste bin. Firstly, personalization matters. 7 out of 10 people surveyed want a product that has been personally picked for them. Secondly, thoughtfulness counts. 70% of people will continue to do business with a brand that gives a unique gift. On the contrary, a random gift can discourage them from doing so. And finally, remember milestones. 70% of people prefer a gift to be given at a milestone rather than an expected date like a holiday. Significant milestones could be an anniversary, the anniversary of a contract signing, a thank you gift. We specialize in unique, sustainable, and personalized corporate gifts. Contact us on the email below for more information.